Namaste and welcome back to Dheemahi. If you or someone you know is dealing with persistent discomfort of psoriasis, you are not alone. In today's video, we are diving into the world of Ayurveda to understand psoriasis, explore its cause, and discuss a gentle introduction to its treatment. Let's embark on this journey to clearer, healthier skin together. So, what exactly is psoriasis? Psoriasis is a chronic skin condition that causes skin cells to multiply up to 10 times faster than normal. This results in a red, itchy, and often scaly patches that can appear anywhere on the body, especially on elbow, scalp, knees, and lower back. While it's not contagious, it can be emotionally challenging. Many people struggle with visible symptoms, leading to discomfort and lack of confidence. But understanding the root cause is the first step towards managing it effectively. Common symptoms include red patches on the skin covered with silvery scales, dry or cracked skin that may bleed, itching, burning, and soreness, as well as swollen and stiff joints. But remember, everyone's experience with psoriasis can be unique. Now let's talk what causes these flare-ups. According to Ayurveda, psoriasis is more than just a skin disease. It is considered as imbalance in the body's internal energies, particularly the Vata and Kapha doshas, and accumulation of toxins known as ama. In simple terms, it's like your body's balance is disrupted, leading to accumulation of toxins. These toxins find their way to the skin, causing inflammation and those stubborn red patches. Understanding these underlying causes is the key. And that's where Ayurveda steps in, by aiming to restore the balance naturally. But before we go deep into the treatment aspect, let's touch some general concepts. Ayurvedic treatment for psoriasis isn't about some overnight results. It's a holistic approach focusing on lifestyle changes, diet, and therapies that align with your body's unique constitution. Think it as a journey to cleanse your body and soothe your mind, rather than just treating the symptoms on the surface. In our next video, we will explore some effective Ayurvedic approaches to manage psoriasis, from diet adjustment to therapies that support detoxification and balance. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on that. Thank you for watching, and remember, at Dheemahi, we believe that healing starts from within. Until next time, take care of yourself and embrace the journey towards a healthier you. Namaste.